Hey guys, welcome back. I have a Hanukkah video for you today. It's my first Hanukkah video of the season. I've done a few hauls in the last few weeks that were all featuring like holiday items, but mostly Christmas items. And today's is all about Hanukkah. It's a Hanukkah haul. If you don't know, if you're new to my channel, in my household, we celebrate Hanukkah and Christmas. We're an interfaith family. I am Jewish. And so I was so excited to get some of this stuff. First, I'm going to show you an unboxing from a company called Days United. This video is not sponsored by them, but they did gift it to me. Someone from their company reached out, asked if I would like to receive one of these boxes. I said yes, I would love to, but I was under no obligation to film a video or anything like that. But the box is so awesome. I thought you guys would want to see it, especially my Jewish viewers. There's some really cool stuff. So I'm going to start there. And then after the unboxing, I'm going to show you some really fun Target Hanukkah finds. So the company is called Days United, and your box comes in a box that looks just like this. And they're a subscription service, so you can buy sort of like a whole year of boxes. I think for a year it's 8 boxes, each kind of centered around a Jewish holiday. Or you could buy 4 boxes, or you could buy 1 box, kind of like with most subscription services. And I do have a discount code for you guys. I'm going to put it down below. It's Erica15. You get 15% off. And so yeah, I'm just going to show you what's inside here. There are some really awesome things. First of all, you get like this little book. Here, I'm going to show you when you open it up. It comes packaged like this, and there's this little book right here on top, and it's a Hanukkah guide, which I really appreciate because every family is different. And if you're not super observant, perhaps you don't know the prayer for lighting the candles, and so you get the prayers and you get things kind of spelled out phonetically. So if you don't read Hebrew, you can sound it out and you can still be reading the prayers. And then over here we've got it in English, so you know what the prayers mean. I think that's just great. There's also some different songs in here, song lyrics, a really fun little guide. Look at this, a little like latke recipe, a cute little book. I'm going to show you my favorite item from the box first. When they asked if I would like to receive this subscription box, I went to their website. Actually, I went to their Instagram and I checked them out to see what they were all about, and I saw this item featured on their Instagram and I was like, oh my god, I so hope I get this. So it's this like build your own menorah kit. It's so cute. It comes in this little bag and you get these tiles, and what it reminds me of, it kind of looks like magnet tiles. Do you guys have kids that play with those? My daughter loves magnet tiles, where you like kind of put them together and you build things. That's what it reminds me of. And you can build it together like a couple different ways, but one of the ways it comes together is like that. How cute is that? It turns into a Star of David. You can also do it sort of like that. It's really pretty. And the thing I really like about it is this is actually perfect for all ages. And I know a lot of times people say that about items good for all ages, but this really is. My 4-year-old is going to absolutely love putting this together. But I also think like a tween or a teen would like having this as their personal menorah. You know, a lot of families give each child their own menorah. I think any child of any age would enjoy this, but also like a college student. It's so colorful, or like your artsy friend, right? I just think adults would love it. It's so pretty. What a nice little gift. I mean, this is the perfect gift to give to somebody celebrating Hanukkah this year. And Hanukkah is right around the corner. I think it's only about 3 weeks away. So that's why I really wanted to sit down and do this for you guys. So in addition to this adorable menorah, you get a box of Hanukkah candles, which is great because I like to light a few menorahs throughout the holiday. I don't just light one. So I always need Hanukkah candles. And these are gorgeous. They're rainbow color, which I love, and it goes with the menorah. So pretty. Kids would love these. I like the idea of you could do like all one color candles one night, or you could do different colors. And look, there's a guide here to kind of show you what you're doing. I love that they walk you through each tradition. So whatever level of observance you're at, you know what's going on here. This is also really super cute. It is a build your own dreidel. How cute is this? Modern art dreidel. Okay, so look at this. That's what it's gonna look like when you're done, and you get these wood pieces. My daughter's gonna love doing this with my husband. How cute is this? So you get these wood pieces. Oh, this popped out. And you get these little tools. And then look at that. Look how it spins. So it's gonna be like layers of wood. Super pretty. And I love those colors. I love how colorful this package is. The rainbow is very significant in the Jewish tradition, so I just think that's really lovely. And this, okay, so here's another little booklet. Oh, how nice. Okay, so here it's just kind of walking you through the rest of the Jewish holidays for the year. And then this is really cute. My daughter is going to love this. I keep saying that about each item. So it's some stained glass art you can make, and it's not really glass. It's gonna look like stained glass. And you do these different little craft projects. My daughter and I are totally into arts and crafts, which is like no surprise if you watch my channel. We're very crafty. Oh, how cute is this? So you get these like sheets, and then you get these little gel colors. This is really awesome. You get these little gel colors to attach to them. Let's see how you do it. Okay, so you stick it on, it's adhesive. Oh wow, okay, so the black pieces that have the different shapes, they have adhesive on the back. So this one's a menorah. Can you kind of tell? It's like a laser cut. I don't think you can tell, but you get a menorah, you get a dreidel, and you get a little jug of, I think it's oil. And then you get the little like cellophane pieces, really pretty. And then it instructs you to hang it up in a window, and when the light comes through, you'll be able to like see it shine like glass. My daughter will love that. And then I think there's just one more thing. Yeah, so it's this coloring book. I think it's a coloring book. Oh, it's a storybook. Okay, so it's a storybook with coloring pages. Like this, because we read that way in Hebrew. So we've got coloring pages. Really cute. Story of the 8 nights. And then we've got like the story. Very nice. So that is that. Like I said, I'm going to put the 15% off discount below for you guys to check out. It's Erica15. And yeah, like I said, you can buy 1 box, you can buy 4, you can buy 8. I think that's the different denominations you can do. I think that's a really great Hanukkah gift. And now I'm going to show you some of the stuff that I got from Target. I'm going to show you my favorite thing I found at Target. And the thing is, I've been picking up these pieces at Target, and every time I go on Target.com, I find another amazing Hanukkah item. Their Hanukkah stuff this year is really, really awesome. This is my favorite thing I found. How cute are these? They're little dreidel earrings. Each side is different color. This is, Bobble Bar has a line at Target right now that they call Sugar Fix. I think they came out like a year ago. And they do amazing holiday items. And this is the first year that I've seen Hanukkah themed Bobble Bar jewelry at Target. So they had this pair, and they also had a menorah set. Like the earrings looked like menorahs. Those were cute, but this was my absolute favorite. It's $12.99. I think that's a great gift too for a lady in your life. See, I can't wait to wear these. I absolutely love them. I got a bunch of stuff from the Target dollar spot. I got a little menorah. Like I said, I like a lot of menorah. I got a menorah and some candles. I actually picked this up for my sister, who is 17 years younger than me. She is in college, and I don't think she has a menorah of her own, so I thought it was time for her to have one. But I just love that you can get, what is it, $5? You can get a cheap menorah at the dollar spot at Target, because I think there's always reasons why you might need an inexpensive menorah. Maybe you're traveling, you're going on holiday, maybe not so much this year, but maybe you just need something to throw in your suitcase and you need a menorah. So it's nice to know you can get one for cheap there. I got this really pretty Happy Hanukkah banner. I love that. They had a few designs of these, and this was just $1. Really simple and pretty. A couple different designs to choose from. I got some little art kits. Like I said, we love arts and crafts. This one is so cute. They had it last year, and I picked this one up last year as well. So you build your own menorah with the clothespins, and it has absolutely everything you need in it. My daughter will love making this. This one was $5, and this one I was really excited to find. It is a wooden paint set of a menorah. This one was just $3. You get your paint, your paintbrush, and then you get a little stand so you can stand it up. So when you're done, it actually will stand up like a menorah. How perfect is that? She's gonna love it. And now I have a few clothing items that are adorable. I think this is Cat and Jack. Yeah, Cat and Jack has the best holiday stuff. This adorable t-shirt. This was actually in the boys section, but I buy my daughter boys t-shirts all the time. The boys shirts are always cuter, I think. And I think this was just about $5. Dreidel Champ. And they had like for toddlers and older kids as well in this. So a really fun find. And then this is my favorite clothing item. How cute is this? We have worn it a few times already. It's been through the wash a couple times. My daughter put it right on when I brought it home. This is Cat and Jack too, I think. Yeah. Really, really pretty dress. You've got the sparkly tutu. The candles say Hanukkah. Love it. But like I said, that's what I have. But there has been so much good Hanukkah stuff on Target online and in store. I've been checking it out. I kind of struggle every year to find good Hanukkah items. There's always an abundance of Christmas items, and like I said, we are an interfaith family, so I'm always searching for ways to make Hanukkah really fun and exciting and not let Christmas overshadow it. So I was happy to find this stuff. If you are in need of some fun Hanukkah finds, head on over to Target, check out Days United. I've got a link for them below. Let me know in the comments if you saw something here that you want to go and look for, or let me know if there's something at Target I need to have my eyes on. I'm still shopping, still getting ready, even though we're really close, aren't we? Yeah, so hit that red subscribe button if you enjoyed this. I'm gonna have more holiday content coming up. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.